Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a collaboration with Rpgshow. If you're not new to my channel, then you know that I absolutely love this wig company. They have amazing quality wigs. So the box came with a flyaway tamer, a wig cap, an elastic band to lay down your edges, a packet to store your wig, and also an instruction leaflet. Now this is the unit I'm going to be reviewing today. It's a 13x6 Swiss lace front wig. It comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and it comes with an elastic band, an adjustable strap, and some combs. Now the color is a nice ombre color, so it's this nice like chocolate brown color. The roots are dark. Now it definitely looks more brown on camera. In real life it's more subtle and toned down. So if you're just trying to get into colored wigs, then I highly recommend this wig. Guys, look at the hairline. Oh my goodness. Rpgshow always does a good job when it comes to plucking the hairline and when it comes to bleaching the unit as well. I don't know what kind of bleach they use. So this unit is called the OP Hair 002, I believe. I'll leave all the information in the description box. It's in 20 inches. Honestly, I thought it was 24 inches because it's pretty long. It comes in a natural body wave texture. You can go ahead and add some curls if you want as well, but if you're really not like the best at curling wigs, then this unit comes naturally wavy, which I really did appreciate. The density of this unit is 200. It really is a lot of hair. When I was installing it, I was like, okay, this is definitely way more than 150, so I am not surprised. Now guys, the hardest part about installing this unit was cutting the lace. Not because I don't know how to cut lace, but because this lace is Swiss lace, so it will literally melt into your skin. So I had to be like zoomed into my mirror just so that I don't ruin the lace. This unit is super beginner friendly. Honestly, Rpgshow, they have those kind of wigs that, yes, they're pricey, but you invest in one and it'll literally last you like a really long time. Like their units are my special occasion units. Even though this unit is pricey, they are having Black Friday sales all November. So this is the time you probably want to grab any unit from Rpgshow. I will leave all the information in the description box like I mentioned. And yeah, so to install this unit, I basically did what I normally do. I use my Ebony York hairspray and then I just let it get tacky, put the lace on my hair, my forehead, and then use my rat tail comb to kind of like press the hairline, press the lace into my skin and push the hairline backwards. That way you have more of a clean hairline as opposed to like hair all over. But it all starts with you pushing the hairline back with your hot comb before installing the unit.
Someone and they'll just give you help. Feelings that we can't keep to ourselves. Give yourself and hope it all goes well. Baby, this time I could do it better. Love someone and they'll just give you help. Baby, I just wanna treat you well. Hope you don't leave nothing but a shell. Baby, this time I could do it better. Love someone and they'll just give you. You know I'd do anything. I'll send signs but subliminally. Think of you till I fall asleep. We can be together but I just can't believe it. Loving you, I'm singing so many songs but not for you. And I can see you falling for me. Days they come and go as they please. If you wanna just be honest and say so. Say you want me, let go. I've been feeling the same things. Out here just waiting
So I was trying to decide if I wanted to do a flip over style or a middle part. I wasn't sure, I was just playing with it, but I would show you guys how much parting space you get with this unit. It's a 13 by 6 like I mentioned, so you do get like a lot of parting to play with. So I decided to go for a middle part because I just feel like middle parts are easy and they frame my face better. And then I used my powder to define the parting space. Honestly, I didn't need to. I only did that because I have a wig cap underneath, and then I brushed out the curls. I was gonna add curls to this unit, but I don't know, I just really liked how it looked naturally, like straight out of the box. It was just giving very effortless curls, and I love effortless curls. Like, I'm the kind of girl that prefers day 2 curls over day 1 curls, so this look is absolutely perfect for me. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget they're having Black Friday sales this November, so check the information in the description box and purchase this unit or any other unit from Rpgshow that you've had in your cart for a really long time. Thank you guys again, and God bless.